Hello everyone, it's Karina. For this video, I'll be doing a Happy Mail share of some outgoing mail. So this is actually going to one of my pen pals. Her name is Louise and she is new to YouTube, so I'm gonna link her information down below. And please subscribe and check her out. She's amazing, and she also did a unboxing of this, so if you wanted to check out her video as well, I will link it down below. And I've done this before where I paint the box coordinating to the paper that I'm using, and in this case it's the Heritage paper collection. So I was inspired by some of the papers in the collection and I try to paint it as best as I can. And this is what the inside looks like. I just decorated the top part and I'm using some of the paper from the collection and some ephemera and the stickers. And the little wooden pieces that I used to spell her name I got from Hobby Lobby, same as the trim on the bottom of the swan ephemera, which I think is super pretty. This tissue paper is also from Hobby Lobby. It's this really cool like book page tissue paper, and you can see like the writing and all of that, and I think this matches perfectly with the collection. So I used that for my box just so it holds all of her goodies together and makes the box look just a little bit prettier. So I did make her this binder mail and I think it turned out super cute. This is the cover. So I decorated by doing a cluster of embellishments right in the middle. And I love the little book corners that I used. Those are from Hobby Lobby. And this is the side. And the back, I used one of the cut aparts from the paper collection and just adhered it right on the back, and I think it looks cute just as is. I did use some Velcro to keep it together. And this is what it looks like when you open it. In this pocket, I made these little embellishments. It's like a silhouette of a girl, and that's a die from the Heritage collection, I think. So I decorated some by adding the little bows, and I die cutted some extra ones for her to use and decorate. I included some fun bags. The glassine bags are from Daiso, as well as these paper bags with the cute carousel on them, and then I also included some of these pretty watercolor bags as well, and those ones I got from Michael's a long time ago. I included these reinforcers and I love the different colors, and then these cute butterfly paper clips which I got from Joann's. I made these embellishments using my EK Tools banner punch. I embellished some of them and I left 4 of them plain, that way she can decorate it herself any way that she wants to. And these are some bag toppers that I made using a die from Hobby Lobby. It's like these circle dies, and it comes with I think 4 different sizes, so I just layered them on top of each other, did some stitching and embellished them. I used a Sizzix die to make those pretty star die cuts. And in this last pocket, I made these fun layered flowers. And this is a We Are Memory Keepers and Maggie Holmes die set. I decorated this glassine bag, and inside I made these award ribbon embellishments, and I think they turned out super cute. I gifted her these paper tassels, and these are from Joann's. These cute gift bags are from Daiso. I matched the tissue paper with the color of the bag, and inside are just some store-bought things. This is probably my favorite thing that I've made. It's an embellished box. The box I got from Dollar Tree, and I just decorated the front. I did 2 flower clusters on opposite ends. I used some of the butterflies and the cute stamps that comes in the sticker sheets. And this is the inside. I included these bead chains that she can use for her tag flips and such. Also those rings, and I love the different colors. I included some gold and white alphabet beads, some small little pom-poms, random charms, acrylic flowers, and some bows, wooden beads, and these really pretty leaf sequins. I just put in a variety of things that she can use. And inside this paper bag, I have some more goodies. So I did wrap this gift up. It's a set of mini markers that I got from Target. So the cute palm tree charms I got from Joann's. And these really pretty butterfly wood veneers I got from Dollar Tree. I think they're so pretty and I love the details in them. I think it would also look really cute if you were to paint them. The gold garland trim is from Hobby Lobby. This is a 6x6 paper pad that I got at Joann's, and I wrapped it in tissue paper and embellished the front, that way it can be a surprise. I decorated this bag, and inside I made these library cards. The library card is a printable that I found on Pinterest, and I made 4 of them, and I absolutely love how they turned out. To make this box, I did use my Cameo. It was a file that I downloaded from the store. It was the perfect size box to include these hand-painted wooden beads. This is probably one of my favorite things as well. I think the beads turned out super cute. I absolutely love them, and I hope she does too. I also decorated this little box, and I forgot to film it, but here's a picture of the little embellishments that I included inside. And lastly, I decorated these envelopes, and I did hole punch the top and decided to stack them together and used a ring. Inside this first envelope, I included these shapes. I got the Heritage digital collection, so I printed it out and fussy cutted them. In this next envelope, I included these really pretty flowers. I got them from Daiso a while back, and I thought those were cute. In this last envelope, I included some cards, and this is from one of my favorite paper collections. It's a older Maggie Holmes collection. It's called Open Book, and so I included some of those. And I also decorated the back of the envelopes. This envelope is my favorite. I love the floral cluster that I made. And that's actually the last thing I included in her box. So now I'm just organizing everything, trying to make everything fit nicely. And now it's time to add the paper shred. This I got from Dollar Tree. And that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel. I will link everything down below. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye everyone.